students, I am going to continue with exercise 15.1 with question number 2. Question number 2. The following line graph shows the yearly sales figure for a manufacturing company. Question number A. What were the sales in 2002 and 2006? Number B. What were the sales in 2003 and 2005? And even the question number C and D also given under question number 2. So 4 questions are given. Okay. And one diagram is given, means one graph is given where these are years, okay, and these are amount in crores, okay. These are amounts in crores. So the first question is asking what were the sales in 2002 and 2006. So sales means we have to find out from this, right? These are sales and these are years. So 2002, it will check 2002, this one, right? And will move, so it will be how much? 4. So rupees 4 crores, right? In 2002, what was the sale? Rupees 4 crores. And it will check next 2006. So 2006 is this one, right? It will move in sales, then it will be rupees 8. So in 2006, what was the sale? Rupees 8 crores. So solution, question number 2, number A. What were the sales in 2002? And number 2 is 2006. So first one, company sales in 2002 was rupees 4 what? Crores. And next 2006 is we got 8 crore. So rupees 8 crores. Okay. Next question number B. What were the sales in 2003 and 2005? So graph, we have to check from graph. 2003 was, okay, 2003 is this one. So this dot, right? And then it will check in sales, then is this one where there is no number, but we can count. If this is 2, means in between 4 and 2 is 3, 6 and 4, 5. So 8 and 6 will be 7. Okay. So rupees 7 crore. And for 2005, okay, for 2005, sales was 10. How much? Rupees 10 crore. So solution, company sales in 2003 was rupees, how much we got? 7 crores. And number 2, company sales in 2005 was rupees 10 crores. Compute question number C now. Question number C. Question number C. Compute the difference between the sale in 2002 and 2006. It's mean we have to find the difference between the sale in 2002 and 2006. So in 2002, the sale was rupees 4 crore, and in 2006, the sale was rupees 8 crore. Right. So what will be the difference between 2002 and 2006? So 4 minus 8 will be how much? It will be 4 crore. So solution, difference in sales between 2002 and 2006 minus rupees 4 crores. So answer is rupees 4 crores. Okay. So the difference between the sale in 2002 and 2006 is, difference is 4 crores. Now question number D. In which year was there the greatest difference between the sale as compared to its previous year? Okay, in which year was there the greatest difference between the sale as compared to its previous year? So in this question, the question we have to find the greatest difference between in two consecutive years. Okay, which are the two consecutive years there is a greatest difference between in sales? So if we compare from graph, that is 2004 and 2005. Okay, simply we can check from 2004 to 2005 how it's 6 from rupees 6 to it's increased to rupees 10 crore. Okay, so the greatest difference between in two consecutive years is 2004 and 2005. So solution, the greatest difference between the sale was in two consecutive years. Okay, 2004 and 2005. So this is the solution number D. I hope students, all of you understand. If there is any queries or doubts, please clear and ask. Thank you.